Today we're talking about the holy grail of high performance. If you want to know what that is, stay tuned. Hi, my name is Dr. David Arrington. I'm an executive coach and a leadership trainer, and I help executives realize their vision and create sustainable change. Today, I mentioned the holy grail of high performance, and for me, it's accountability. Or in this context, collective responsibility. This is the holy grail of high performance because it takes the notion of accountability away from being just the leader's job. So what that means is now, instead of just the leader being able to come in and ask tough questions about why assignments weren't completed on time and where are we on certain things, everyone on the team can ask those questions. When you have peer accountability or collective responsibility, you have high octane fuel in the tank, because now everyone is really focused in on making sure that the goal that you already defined is being accomplished. They've bought in and they understand how this role is playing into their sense of purpose, and they are sharing the leadership role. You see how it all works together? It's not by accident. They're sharing the leadership role, and now they are empowered to ask tough questions. Here's the question I have for you today. How can you empower your team members to ask tough questions of each other? Yeah, it's going to take some effort. In the meantime, find the link, which is either in the description or in the comments below, to the Ultimate Leadership Checklist, and download that puppy so you can become a better leader. Until next time, make today, yep, that's right, make it count.